Oh my God, my babies, you would never guess how much I paid for a flower. Those are 10 flowers. You would never guess how much they cost. That manure stinks. I got 2 manure, 1 of those, and 10 flowers, and I got my bell pepper. Hi, my babies. I'm at Home Depot. I came here to get some manure and a few other little things. I'm trying to plant some flowers in my front yard, like cactus flower, and since my peppers, tomato, and watermelon is doing so good, I'm gonna get me another watermelon plant and a bell pepper. I use bell pepper the most. I don't know why I didn't get no bell pepper, but ooh, it's so pretty, so pretty. Oh my goodness. It's so expensive, $32. Plants over here for 6. I don't know what these are. Oh, the plants. Okay, let's get in here and get our food. What is that? I don't see. You know me, I'm buying things. 99 cents. Oh, those the cable thing. Y'all know me. I see 99 cents. I'll be like, okay, what can I get? Okay, let's go to the flower place. The plants. I'm gonna get a bell pepper. I need some manure. I'm gonna get some more. I probably need some more. I'm supposed to fertilize my plant. They're so pretty. Ooh, they're so pretty. Ooh, this is pretty. Mother's Day next, you guys. Y'all ready for Mother's Day? $6.98. That's so pretty. Time for Mother's Day. What's over here? $6. $10. Where's $6 at? Ain't over here. Well, some real 6, it just say 10. Okay, let's go. Found us a bell pepper plant, some manure. And I do need some more of that. Okay, that's fine. I don't know what a manure would be. Let's see. What's over here? Body mix. Oh, I need a water hose. I don't know if I'm gonna get it here at Walmart. Yeah, my watermelon is doing so wonderful, guys. I'm gonna repot it though. I'm gonna put it in a bigger bowl. It would be pretty if I can put my watermelon in here. How much is this? Watering. Is it 14 or 20-inch ready walnut barrel planter? Probably 18. You know what? I might get this. I'm probably gonna put 2 watermelons in here and train them to grow. You know what? I might get this to put my watermelon in. You know, it's pretty. I won't be mad if they don't grow. Well, I can always. That's why I said I wasn't gonna, do too much. But since they're doing so well, I don't know. If this is 19, I'm gonna get it. Walnut barrel planter. So I guess that's what it's for, right? Let's get this. Only $20. Okay, we got that. I said I wasn't gonna be doing all that. This is 12. Oh, this is pretty. But I like that one. Okay, if it's 20, say $18.97. I don't know. Probably 66. Know me, I be looking at something that's wrong. Planner. I bet you it's $66. Hey, I don't know. Yeah, I bet that's $66. Ain't no way that's $20. I might have somebody ring it out. Yeah. Bet you it's $66. Okay, let's find bell pepper plant and another watermelon plant and some manure. Get you that $66. Okay. What is the manure? 5 for 10. Of course, they don't have no more. 5 for 10? Oh my goodness. Of course, they don't have no more. But that one is only $4.97. I need some of that for my. Is this for food? Feed, fruit, flour, herb, and vegetable. Yeah. And this was only, how much is it? $4.97. Okay. I do need one of these. Let me take this. I bet this is. I bet you this thing is. I bet you this thing is nice. It's $69. Because this is too good to be true. I don't know. Okay, let's grab one of these. How much is this? Okay, $5. Not bad. Okay. Do you work here? How much is this planner? Okay. And then I just need to get some manure, another watermelon, and a bell pepper. He's probably gonna say 66. Watch. Look at the lemon trees.
Most popular brand.
Uh-huh.
We have another one over here.
It's only $2.87?
Cheap, yeah.
Oh, I thought manure costs more, but it's cheaper. Okay, let me grab some. No, that's it. Thank you. Okay, God, I didn't know manure was this cheap. So we'll get 2 manures for $2.87 to make sure I have enough. But these are zucchini. They watermelons tiny. Okay. I don't know. I'm gonna buy a watermelon here. Might wait till I go to Walmart. Hey, where is it? It's so little. Look at that. I wanted to get another watermelon. I don't know about. Well, it's only $1 more. Okay, let's find bell pepper. I'm looking for bell pepper, red bell pepper, sweet pepper. I want the green bell pepper. Green bell pepper. Let me see the red one. I guess the red one okay, right? I don't know what else. Okay. Let's see, what does it say how to plant? Or when to plant? Is it okay to plant now?
Please come and get your go bags from customer service. Thank you.
I don't want nothing with flowers on it already. I don't know if I want to get it little or big. Let's see. About this one. Or this one back here. This one look okay. Yeah, this one look okay. So we're gonna get this $5. Okay. I wanted another flower. But watermelon. Oh, look at the bell pepper on them. These are $14.88. Oh wow, look at that, guys. Look at that. I want to start mine little. Okay. I don't see no green ones. All I see is the strawberries. I don't see no green bell pepper. I just see the red. Oh, that'll work. A red one, I guess. zucchini, $4.98. The watermelon. Cucumbers, $4.98. Okay, I guess I'll give you another watermelon at Walmart, because I don't want none that little. Because the one I had got a little bit bigger. I ordered some of these through T-Mobile, I don't know. So we'll see. Is that green bell pepper down there? Let's see. Oh, that's something else. Oh, what's this stuff over here? Tomatoes. Okay. Let's get cherry red tomato. I don't want no tomato. I have enough tomatoes. Maybe I could do a lemon or orange next time. As I get these going. But I do want another watermelon. Oh, here goes some bunny green bell. They want $10 for those. That's big though. Yellow bell pepper. They want $10. Let's stick with this little $5 one. Cause I don't want to spend too much. You know, I don't do good with it. Maybe. Ooh, those is $5. You know, I better get these. Okay, let's see. Ooh, y'all know I'm finna get these. $5 for $5. Yeah, these can plant these in my yard. But I'm gonna ask them why they so cheap. Hey, look at, is it any of these or just these? I don't know. I think all these are here. $5 for $5. Okay, that'll be my little flower. Okay. One. Can't believe these is $1. But that's the last time when I came, I caught some tomatoes for $1. I hope it's not too late to plant them. That's why they on sale. And I don't know if they out of season or something. Can't plant them or something. Why they so cheap? Okay, we got 5 of those. I hope the sign is right. Do you know why I can't plant them now, or just a sale? You know how when you get stuff on sale, something wrong.
No, you can find them.
Oh, okay. I want to make sure.
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't see no watermelon besides those little bitty one there, right there. Ain't no more nowhere.
Oh, yeah. This is the only thing
That's it? Okay.
Yeah.
Uncle, do y'all have any more of these? Anything on sale anywhere? No.
Just this.
Just that. Here, what is this? Ooh. Okay. That's it. That over there and this?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Ooh, got that. Burpee ration hurt. You too. This one look okay. Look at this. I only want to see a tomato because I got like a lot of tomatoes. I don't know. Okay, we might get that. I don't know for sure for $2. I don't even know what that is. I don't even know what that is. I don't know. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, these are the $1 ones. Okay, we're gonna get some yellow ones. Ooh. Okay, we're gonna get like 5 yellow ones. Well, how many? Ooh, orange. Ooh, they got orange. Skirt. I'll get one of these pink. I don't know if it's open. Y'all any more pink anywhere? No, no more pink. There's a pink one. Ooh, let's get this one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 more. Then I got a white one. Well, the white one look pretty. So that's A. So 2 more yellow. Did I get something else? Open. Train. It's really too hot. Look at that. Yeah, I'm getting a white one. So we got 10 altogether, I think. I want to get this out. I'm not going to get that. I don't even know what that is. I think it's some kind of tomato. Yeah, I don't need no more tomatoes. That's $2. It was $1, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got 10. Oh, and the regular price is $3. Not bad. Yeah. Okay, I think that's it, guys. I am back. Ooh, glad I came here. I'm gonna go Walmart too. Some say, come to Home Depot. I got my plants off for $1 each. The bell pepper plant was $3.33. The manure was $2 something. The flower stuff was $5. So yeah, all my stuff total was 24 something. Yeah, it was 24 some change. I got some flowers to plant. Yeah. I got mostly white ones. I got a couple yellow ones. I think about 1 pink. But yeah. I just start planting stuff. Marvel with my cactuses. Yeah, that was a good deal. $1. I didn't really like that watermelon plant. It was too little for $5. Okay, yeah, I got everything for $25. Look at my plants. So pretty. Bye. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Till next time. See you later. Bye, my babies.